Why are strong data privacy clauses essential in vendor contracts? Imagine sharing your most sensitive information with a third party and then wondering if it's truly protected. That's why having strong data privacy clauses in vendor contracts is so important. These clauses set clear rules about how vendors handle personal and business data. They help define what is acceptable and what is not, making sure everyone is on the same page. Vendor contracts are not just about buying services or goods, they are also about managing data risks. When a company shares data with a vendor, it needs to be sure that the vendor will keep it safe. Strong privacy clauses specify what security measures vendors must follow. This can include encrypting data, limiting access to only necessary staff, and securely transferring information. These steps help prevent data breaches that can cause serious harm. Legal compliance is another big reason for these clauses. Different laws like the General Data Protection Regulation or the California Consumer Privacy Act requiring companies to protect personal data. Contracts that include privacy clauses make sure vendors follow these laws. If a vendor fails to comply, the contract can include penalties or remedies. Another key point is breach notification. If a data breach happens, the vendor must tell the company quickly, usually within 48 to 72 hours. This allows the company to act fast to limit damage and inform authorities if needed. It also helps avoid fines from regulators. Contracts also give the company the right to check on the vendor's security practices. This can be through audits or assessments. Regular checks help spot vulnerabilities early. If a vendor uses subcontractors, the contract should requiring them to follow the same privacy rules. This keeps data protected throughout the entire supply chain. Finally, strong clauses include provisions for ending the agreement if the vendor does not follow privacy rules. This gives the company leverage to protect its data and reputation. If a vendor mishandles data, the company can suspend or terminate the contract. Overall, these clauses reduce risks like data theft, financial loss, and damage to reputation. They clarify what each party must do and provide a clear process for handling privacy issues. In today's digital world, having strong data privacy clauses in vendor contracts is a smart way to keep data safe and stay compliant with laws.